YouTube, what's going on? It's Jay's Dead here with another pickup. It's been a couple weeks, but fortunately we got a good amount of stuff in, so it should be fun and interesting. Let's get started. First, we got an Adidas box, and I don't have very many of these at all. Actually, I think I might have one, possibly two. I only have like two pair of Adidas, maybe three. So yeah, I traveled to Myrtle Beach this past weekend, and I stopped at the Adidas store there and got a couple pair of shoes that I thought were cool. First pair is the Ultra Tech, and I'm horrible with Adidas styles because I just never really wore them that much, and I definitely never really kept up with the names. And this is True Green, something white, and maybe Luscious Red. But when I seen them, I thought they were dope, so I was like, yeah, let me get those. And they were pretty cheap. Check these out. Boom. Look at that. These are fire. Absolutely fire. And again, I don't have very many Adidas, and like if I could run across joints like these with nice materials and some, you know, unusual colorway, that's what I'm about, you know. I want to challenge myself. Usually it's kind of how it goes. Like, I want to challenge myself when I pick stuff up like this, because it's not going to be easy to just throw on with anything. So yeah, got these, and the bottom of them is really it got a lot of tread to it. So these are kind of, I don't know if they're like a hiking shoe, but they definitely feel like you could hike in them, at least on the bottom, because they got a lot of tread. So I can't wait to rock these. And I did happen to get another pair of Adidas as well, and these are the ZX 4000s, black, ice, and carbon maybe. And these were really cheap too. These were like 20 bucks. Check those out. Yeah. And that is like a cream, so they kind of look aged. So it's basically black, you know, like a baby blue, Carolina blue, and like a gray with the outsoles, the creamy outsoles. So, you know, they're just something to throw on quick, but I like them. And again, I don't have very many Adidas styles or Adidas at all, so, you know, why not? Can't wait to rock these too. What we got next? We got options. You know what? Let's do these since they just right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Shout out to Narelle the Cobbler on IG. I sent him these in a pair of Space Jam 9s to kind of clean up, and he did a pretty decent job on these. The midsole was cracking on them. Well, I guess it was starting to crack, or at least he said it was starting to crack. They definitely were chipping for sure, and that's kind of why I sent them to him. So he cleaned these up for me. So hopefully I'll be able to actually get a few wears out of them. You know, I wore them already, and they held up pretty good. So hopefully I'll be able to actually, you know, enjoy these for a little while longer. All right. I got some good. Let's try that again. Man, why did it do that? No, it's probably because this fucking phone's heavy as hell. All right, we good for now. Anyways, went to the mall yesterday, and I've had my eye on these joints for a few months now. You know the box, Air Force One, 07 joint, speed yellow. It's weird because they Got a lot more than yellow on them. But let's get going. And I don't get to cop a lot of Air Force Ones like that, so anytime I do, it's usually like a an original style that I cop or whatever, or original colorway. But these, man, whatever design team came up with these, man, they hit it pretty hard. Pause. Look at that, number 2 on the back. And I didn't get them originally. I took my time buying them because they were, I think retail was $125, $135, and I ain't really want to spend that. So I kept just, putting it off. And finally, I went into the store yesterday and I was feeling good. I got great news. So I was like, you know what? Let me get them before it's too late. And this was actually the last size that they had, like, that I could fit. And they were on sale. And I got an additional 15% off. So I was dumb lit on these. So I can't be happier. Cannot be happier that I actually have these now. And I only seen one store with them locally. And I haven't seen, any mention of these or anything. So these are crazy. Like they look like a Bespoke from Nike. If you guys know about the Bespoke program, you basically can go, you sit down and you can create an Air Force One from scratch. Literally, you can change everything on it. Every detail, you can customize, and it's more in depth than Nike ID. And I think they retail, the Bespoke joints retail for like $800. So these literally look like a Bespoke in my opinion. And obviously they're modeled after a pencil. And if you look at the tongue, it's pink, basically like the eraser. The leather is weird. It feels weird. It's not real leather either, for sure. The swoosh is even worse. It's like a foam. It's like, it's not leather at all. It's just like some faux material. Yeah, these are, they're great, especially for the price now. And the laces are they're not regular laces, but they're not like what's the word I'm looking for? They are not wax laces, but they are kind of like weaved or braided laces. So yeah, I'm really excited to have these now. Can't wait to rock them sometime. And I was waiting on this. And man, did I do that other shoe? Pause. I didn't. Oh my god, I got another shoe to show you guys after this one. Another ID that I got, and I actually wore them already. And if you guys follow me, you probably you might have already seen them, but I'm gonna show to everyone who hasn't seen them, but let's get with these first. I hope y'all ready, because these are crazy. Probably my favorite ID that I've done so far. Let's just do it. Yeah, I know. Nike mag vibe. And I'm glad I was able to pull these off, because I don't think these options are available now anymore. And I didn't see anyone else do a mag inspired ID. So yeah. Yeah, so clean. Just so clean. And that blue, like the blue on the gray, boy. And the swoosh is like it's a fabric, and I wanted to kind of mimic the fabric on the Nike mags, even though I'm not sure if the actual swoosh on the mags is fabric or if it's like I have no idea. or at least I can't recall. But yeah, only thing I think I might change is this gray part. I think I might have made it white to go along with the swoosh, just to add a little bit of more white to it. But yeah, I absolutely love these, man. Love them. Like, especially like spring, summertime. These are gonna kill crazy. I don't know if I can't wait. I can't wait till spring, summer. Like, they gonna have to go on sooner than that. But yeah, these are definitely gonna get a couple wears this year. And I do gotta show y'all the other ID that I got. And it's been so long since I've done a video that I had kind of forgot. I mean, I don't know why I'm showing y'all the box. No one cares. But this ID, these IDs that right here. Yeah, ready. Let's check that out. Yep. And again, I've worn these more than a few times actually now. So they definitely have gotten some use out of them already. But yeah, these are, if I could say myself, like, these are crazy. And I love them. The materials on these are top notch too. These are these were the premium option. So I think they maybe were like 160, 150, 160. But the materials are so worth it. And I'm like, honestly, I can't say whether or not it's genuine leather, but it feels good, and it definitely doesn't feel like the really cheap stuff that they use most times. So yeah, really glad I was able to get a pair of these. And I do want to do another pair that I think I need to hurry up and do before they mess around and change the options or take them off or something. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about these. It's like a it's called mulberry, but I mean, I don't know, you kind of can call it Bordeaux. It definitely has like a Bordeaux vibe to it with the black, you know, and even the gray. So kind of just like a new twist on like a Bordeaux type situation. But I love them. Love them. All right, what we got next? Oh, okay. Well, let's do this first. Did want to send a shout out to Smooth Gear on IG. They did send me some stuff, a little care package. Threw me this tee. You already know, elephant print. So that's a easy layup right there. Easy layup. And they sent me a mask. And yo, I ain't even realized the mask went with the damn hoodie. I'm so pissed off right now. Wow, I'm an idiot. So they sent me the mask and they sent me this hoodie. And I rocked this hoodie yesterday and I just threw it on again today. Real nice heavyweight. It's got their branding on it, and it's kind of like it's like tie-dye, but like not quite. And yeah, so I got the matching freaking mask that I didn't realize matched. So I'm kind of upset that I didn't get a chance to put that together, but I will in the future. So thank you guys, Smooth Gear, for the love. Next, you read the title. Let's get into it. Shout out to Devlin and Saya Collective. You see it. So this is the box that they come in with, the window, all black on it. Oh man, I didn't even notice that, but it's got the Vulture logo on the bottom of it. Bruh, it says my name. I didn't even realize it. That's crazy. And the reason why I didn't realize it, because I just I wanted to see the damn shoes. I didn't even look at the box. So these are the highs. Let's take a look at them. Take a look. 1 second. And they do come in these plastic bags. Both shoes come in a plastic bag. There's no tissue paper in the box, but you know, yeah. Let's see. These are the highs. Obviously. Man, I love the smell of new sneakers, man. That's probably half my damn problem is just loving the smell of new kicks. But yeah, these, see, like, I like these because they're way more dressy. Or I don't want to say dressy, but you can kind of dress these up a little bit more because they high. But yeah, man. And I've been wearing the lows I wore them all my whole time in South Carolina. I went for the weekend and I wore them the whole trip, and they were super comfortable. Which I don't want to say I was surprised about, but I was a little surprised at how comfortable they were. And let me show y'all the lows as well. And as y'all can see, I've been wearing them. They are a little dirty. Like, I wore them to work and everything for a couple days. So I might keep the highs a little cleaner and just throw these, you know, and actually enjoy the lows a lot more. But like I said, they are amazingly comfortable. And I will show you guys the box to those as well. Same box, obviously. Saya Collective model CV 0.02, J's Are Dead colorway, SayaCollective.com. And again, I definitely want to shout out Devlin for the love and support. And shout out to all you guys for the love and support. We got a lot of cool stuff, you know, coming. Make sure you just subscribe, please. That definitely helps me out, helps the channel out. Share it, like it, comment, all of that. The more attention we get, the better it gets, you know, for everyone. Obviously, we get more people to see it, and we basically get to showcase, or at least I get to showcase some of the stuff that I'm passionate about as far as footwear. Obviously, I love shoes, and I love showing different stuff that, you know, everyone doesn't see all the time, or that people don't even think about. It doesn't have to be all hype stuff. You know, wear what you like and enjoy it. Just, you know, enjoy what you like, man. It's serious. And damn, I just realized, yo, I got 2 pair Air Force One lows in like the same week. Like that's never happened. Never happened. And look how drastic these are. So drastic. But boy, they're both crazy. Man, these could have been a bespoke too. I would have went a little crazier if they were a bespoke, but yeah. Again, I do appreciate all you guys for watching, subscribing, supporting. Let me know if you got any questions, any comments, anything you want to say, what you pick up, what you don't like, whatever, you know, just let's have a discussion. I appreciate it. Again, J's Are Dead. Peace.